Hello everyone, this video is about this little guy here, the LYZrc L109 Pro drone. 125 bucks on Amazon. Pretty decent camera. 1K camera, 4K pictures. Let's get into the review. $125 drone with a 2-axis gimbal and brushless motors. Halfway decent controller. It's got a little LCD display right here that gives you pretty much the basic telemetry. Both the batteries on the drone and the controller are displayed here on this little display, and also gives you the telemetry of your height and speed. You can change the speed on this, so that makes it kind of nice. Alright, enough of that. Let's do the quick unboxing and then we'll get into the flying. Alright, thanks. So it's a strange little setup I need to get used to. Takes me a little while to figure this thing out. It's all about the GPS coordination. Seems to fly okay. pretty steady flower. It's not the fastest thing around. So it's doing a GPS track now. So it's definitely doing that pretty decent track. Can I pitch the camera down a little bit? Yeah. So as you can see, there I am, guys. It's tracking me pretty well. Okay, so if I walk away from it, so it's the relationship between this guy, the phone, and the drone. So it just seems like it lost track of me a little bit, but that's okay. Check, make sure I'm recording. I'm recording. So, okay, let's abort that. Let's go ahead and bring it over here. The camera doesn't seem too bad, guys. Looks like running a little low on power. I hope it's recording okay. And let's see. So I'm going to stop the recording and do a gesture mode. Let's see how it does. Does it start the recording? Peace? No? I couldn't tell, to be honest with you. Let's take a picture. Seems to be doing fine there. Let's do a circle B mode. Back up. Circle B mode. Okay, let's do 10 meters. Done. Confirm. So there's the circle B mode. So it's interesting how it does it. It does it from the point where it was at. So if I'm standing here is where the drone took off from. So yeah, it's a little interesting, right? Definitely not a bad little camera. So this is a $125 drone, guys. That is actually pretty good for a beginner. It's going to take you a little bit get used to the interface. Okay, I stopped it, and it sounds like the battery. What I'm going to do is going to fly past me. I think it's complaining about the battery being low. I could try one more thing here. The rocket. Well. Battery is low. Yeah. Okay, so it's not going to be able to do it. And I'm just going to keep flying it until it runs out of power. You know, one of the things I haven't tested yet. Let's try to do a return home. put it over here and then do a return home, guys. Alright, that's far enough. Let's see how... I just hit the return home button. I think it's returning right to the controller. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, it's going to hit the return home again. I think home's over there. See if this guy's recording. Alright, try to get this guy to return home. Okay, still recording. The camera looking a little funky there. Okay, let's do another flight. Huh? Check that. Not bad. Not bad for that time. That was a return to fail-safe. It's out of batteries. So it's completely out of batteries. So not bad. Almost landed on the pad. Could have been worse, right? So not bad little booger, guys. Not bad at all. That's what it looks like. There it is. So this is the L109 Pro. It's $150, guys. It's actually a pretty decent little drone. It's definitely worth considering if you got 125 bucks and you want to just play with this. Camera is doing some funky stuff right now, guys. I think its battery voltage is so low. Oh yeah, look at that. So if your battery is really low, it'll freak out for sure. Turn this off. There it is. Not a bad little review, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Time to go home. It's cold out here. Very cold. Alright guys, so as you can tell, it's cold out here. And this little drone right here, actually pretty decent little booger. It flies pretty well. The only thing that has a little quirky is the camera. But other than that, it's a good flyer. It does the automated functions pretty well. It does the follow me mode and it tracks you, and it does the circle me modes pretty well. And also you're able to change the speed at which it flies. So it's not the fastest flyer, but it's not a bad flyer at all. So the pros is this: it's light, it's inexpensive, $125, and the camera's not that bad. Now the gimbal is the downside to this one, because it doesn't pitch all the way down here, and it hits when it rolls. But other than that, it is a pretty decent drone. It's got brushless motors, and the battery life's not too bad, about 16 minutes. For a drone this size, can't beat it. Would I recommend this to a beginner? Yeah, I would. And only because it's $125, and so it's a good place to start. This guy is pretty decent, so yeah, I would recommend it. So there you go.